Our friends living.
Tell one of your friends that
Look,
I'm coming to the
here,
Philippines.
Look. He's good looking. He's good looking.
Hello.
Good morning, Philippines.
Good morning, everything. Nakahiligan ko na yung everything. Ay, nakahiligan ko na. Ito talaga si everything, no? Yes, ito pa rin yung suot ko. Good morning. So, ngayon, hindi muna ako magbihis, maligo. Kasi, today is yung cutting ng grass natin. Lalabas tayo. Doon ako sa kabila. Sa side door tayo. Lalabas. Kasi, guys, ito pa rin yung suot ko, guys. Sa pasensya na talaga. Hindi muna ako magbihis-bihis. Ligo-ligo. Pagod lang ako mamaya din. Paningot ng maraming singot. Dahil sa magkakat ng grass. Magwidwa. Tinanong ko siya dito muna, guys. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Wala pa akong space na paglalagyan nila. Kaya, join muna sila sa Mingo. Hello, Dada. Misty Mickey. Hello, baby. Good morning. Say good morning. Say morning. Oh, it feels so good. Yes, maraming bunga, guys. Ang saya nito, guys. At saka nagbunga na talaga siya, guys. At saka marami pa. Damihan. And there's a lot of zucchini here. Akala ko tataas siya ganon. Hindi pala. Flat lang pala siya dyan. Flat. And then magano siya. Yung eggplant ko, hindi ko pa tina-transfer. Kasi maliit pa. Gusto ko malaki na siya bago i-transfer. Yan. And ito, bulaklak po ito. Alis siya, punta siyang Walmart. Magbibili daw siya ng rice cooker kasi bukas sana darating yung kaibigan niya, 'di ba? And then tumawag ngayong umaga, sobrang aga. Sabi niya, "Pwede ngayon ako anha?" Kung pwede ba daw siya ngayon dito pupunta. Sabi ni Tami, "Oo naman." Ay nako, kaya ngayon hindi ako sasama kasi magkat ako ng grass. Ang taas na kasi ng grass. Ayun. And then kausapin ko lang si Tami, may ipabili ako sa kanya. Nag-defrost ako ng steak kasi yun yung promise niya. Steak. So, lutuan daw ng steak. Magpabili ako sa kanya ng string beans kasi gusto kong magluto ng munggo beans, ginataang munggo with bok choy and string beans. So, yun yung gagawin ko. Pero, hindi ko yan lutuin para sa... Tingnan natin kung may time pa akong magluto mamaya. Pagdating niya, tignan lang natin. Darating siya, and then bigyan ni Tami ng rice cooker. And I think magdala din siya ng mga stone na inilagay ko sa garden. Galing sa kanya. And then, meron pang... I think magdala siya ng mga konting Hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya ilalagay talaga.
But now she run away because she don't want you to hear what she is like every day. Ah! And as she hide. I'm gonna have to open the bathroom door and find out. You don't want to say it on camera. Go ahead. Tell him what you like. Oh, more food for you. Tell him. Show him what you really like. I'm an addict.
You're an addict. Addict buyer.
Celery from macaroni salad. She said I'm an addict buyer.
Because you are people, no, son. They see it, son. Don't go crazy, Tommy. Give me string beans. Not a lot, huh? For mungo.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna make mungo? They can see that.
Look at, guys, look. My husband is still giving me a heart attack. Han, but listen to me, Han, huh? Don't go crazy, Han. You just get what you need. And hurry up, because if you're making something, I'm gonna just working outside, Han. I have a lot of things to do outside. 11:30 na, guys. And katatapos ko lang talagang nag-cut ng grass. So, ngayon, kakarating lang ni Tami. Tignan natin kung anong binili. Oh my God. Guguin.
Yep, puppies.
Ang dami. I told you na. Oh my God, there's more over there. Seriously, Han? Sus, ginoo ko. Hala. What kind of rice cooker is this? And what is this? Bird feeder again. What the heck? Alam nyo itong asawa ko? Kaluka. Alam ko naman bibili ito para sa kaibigan. I think Inday Garota is going home. Yeah. Isang tao lang yung dumating pero look. Tulungan na lang natin para hindi magkaandugaga, kaandugogo. What are you making?
Macaroni salad.
And why you get this?
No, I thought maybe you would make a cucumber salad, but I go to the long shot. But it might.
Don't smile over there.
Charatlam!
You're smiling. You don't even ask. You're just guessing. I hate that. I guess gagawa tayo ng cucumber kasi bumili si Mister. Ang akala niya, sus, ginawa ko. Alam ko na talaga itong anong plano nito. Ayaw ko na sumunduhan. Wala, you still have to cut this off.
I did that already.
How about pepper? Use the old pepper, this one. Ito na guys, nakagawa na tayo ng ito. Maglinis lang ako dito kasi kailangan ko pang mag-dry ng buhok. Still makaano pa rin dito. Huh?
We're going to do the half. We're going to do like half of it and then do the other half for Sunday when
I'll cut only half. Hugasan na natin para sure.
Shut it off or just slow?
Shut it off. Done.
Are you done? You sure?
Yeah, done. Half lang daw yung ipakat kasi bukas na para ilagay sa refrigerator yung half. Tignan natin kung magtamis ba ito. Oh my God, nakakaloka ito. Kami ni Tami, para kaming naglalaro dito dahil may nakapasok na daga. Yung sobrang konti na daga. Iwan ko kung saan sila. Basta talaga tag-init, no? Papasok talaga sila ng bahay. Naghanap talaga sila ng mapasukan. Iwan ko kung saan. Kaloka. So, nakapasok dito. Yun pala yung inano nila ni Habs doon sa office. Parang tinitignan nila ba? Kanina pa yung umaga. So ngayon, nakita na Tami nagdagan dito, nagtakbo-takbo. Sus, ginoo ko. Kami ni Tami, para kami, So ngayon, kinuha ni Tami at saka, inano niya, nilagay niya sa container. Tapon yung container. Hindi niya pinatay yung nilagay niya sa labas para mabuhay pa rin. Where did you put it? Said, why you throw me away from the house? Yun, I cut only over here until here. Diyan lang. Yan, kinat ko siya dun. The whole back. And I widwalk also. Yan.
You got Spanish rice, you got shrimp, you got macaroni salads, you got, I can cook little hot dogs, you got pepperoni cheeses.
I want dried fish.
Go ahead. You don't care. Rich won't care. He'll just make little funny remarks. It's okay.
The watermelon is here. This doesn't look sweet to me. Today is Independence Day in the Philippines. Happy Independence Day, June 12, 1898.
Well, happy Independence Day, Philippines.
John 12, 1898. Okay, I won't forget that. In the school, I always memorize it because they ask you always, what day and year is our Independence Day? June 12, 1898. Wala akong makita sa loob. Anyway, so yun. Nag-snacks lang siya. Sobra yung hangin, oy. Hello. Hello, Mingo. Oy, guys. Lumaki tala si zucchini, guys. Lumaki si zucchini. Zucchini. Daming kumakain, Kinakain talaga nila tong ano ko, eggplant. Kailangan kong... Hoy, quiet! Quiet!
Why did you put some of the faces the other way?
What? I don't know there's faces with that.
Yeah, you see how this is?
Yeah?
And look on this side.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't know that.
Like watch. See the face?
Okay.
And the bevel?
I see that. Oh, this one is wrong. This,
Yeah.
and this one here.
Probably,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Like this is supposed to be the face.
Okay. I don't know that there is a face.
The smooth side is the bottom. Is the back.
Look, I have a lot of lettuce.
What are those?
Oh,
yellow
Lord,
things?
hala, this is Han is dying, Han, look.
Because there's too much in there. It's just killing itself. I keep telling you.
Han, just put it in the side, Han, over here. Just right here, oh.
Yeah.
Go, keep working, guys. Move, Misty. Oh, nice. Thank you so much, Rich. You guys need gloves?
The puffer fish is real dead. Right. But these blowfish aren't. Blowfish, pufferfish. Yeah, they're the same thing.
Hala, watch out the bee. Luto na si Tami ng ano. Hala, there's no fire again. Yeah, I guess it's no more in there. It's very light.
That would be drinking all night long. That makes you bring all that alcohol back up.
Oh yeah.
He's a little psychotic anyway.
You people do that. When do you go fishing, you catch small fish, you just eat it.
Well, I never did fish, but me and my brother used to go clamming. We just shuck the clams right there. We'd be standing there digging clams. We just shuck them.
And eat it?
Yeah.
No
Oh, yeah.
cleaning?
What?
No cleaning?
No, you
No,
flush them in the salt water.
Yeah, I've done that a million times. I used to go out
Bless you.
behind the, where I grew up. 4 blocks down was the bay. We'd go out behind the hospital, get them, and there used to be dealers right on the dock.
Right.
We'd sell them, go up and get a case of beer, come back, get some more clams, and sit on the beach and that's it, suck them down.
I ruined it for my sister. My sister used to
Ah, let me film.
like raw clams too. I said, yeah, it's alive when you eat it. No, it's not. No,
Yeah, look at that
What's the
steak.
lemon on it? Watch.
Watch it.
Hey, watch it squiggle around. She would never eat a raw crab again.
Hello guys. So ngayon, aalis na sana yung ano. Si Tami talaga, ang tagal magluto. Pinatagal pa. Yung bisita namin, gusto na umuwi. Kasi ang layo kasi yung drive. Yung drive niya is like 3 hours daw yung drive. So plus traffic pa. Long Island, alam nyo naman. So ngayon, uuwi na sana siya. And then itong si Tami, ang tagal. Sabi ko sa'yo, lutuin na para makakain na. Para makapag-relax after kumain. Pero itong asawa ko, guys, ay, nagluto na si Tami. Pero yung hangin sa labas is grabe talaga yung hangin. Kaya, matagal na niya yung kaibigan, guys. Kaya kilala ko na din yun. As in, yung parang, kilala ko na hindi na ako nahihiya, ganun. Pero nung una, hiyang-hiya ako. Kasi yung katrabaho yan ni Tami noon, hanggang ngayon, kaibigan pa rin. Palagi silang tawagan, ganun-ganon. Kilala ko na siya, kilala niya ako. Yun. So, hindi ako nahiya. Yung iba kasi nahiya pa ako, yung mga hindi talaga ako kilala. Hiyang-hiya talaga ako. Katulad nitong kapitbahay namin. Si Tami pala, kaibigan. Hiyang-hiya ako, guys. Punta doon, nahiya ako. Pero kapag talagang kilala mo ng tao, kausap mo na siya palagi, ganun. Wala ka nang hiya. Walang hiya. Magkapal na yung mukha. Ganun. So, ipatry natin sa kanya ito. Spanish rice. Ang daming dinala niya na yung cement, yung blocks na para pang ang dami. Ito yung macaroni salad ni Tami. Iba yung macaroni salad niya, guys, kaysa yung sa Pinas. Ito talaga is strictly walang meat. Ang meat lang dito is manok na hindi pa na manok. Manok hindi pa na manok. Ano siya, egg lang. Yun lang. Okay, tignan natin sila sa labas. And your steak. My steak is burning. I'm always have my camera. It's burning.
Alright, we're gonna move these over here with a fire.
Chalahan, it's firing, Han.
Yours with no fire. Cut it open. If it needs to go back, we'll put it back.
Okay, that's good. It's like, look at the black.
That's well.
Yeah.
Well done.
Kain lang kami ng dinner, early dinner po. I'm just vlogging Rich. Bye, Rich. Our friends leaving.
Tell one of your
Look.
friends that
Look,
I'm coming
he is
to the
here, look.
Philippines.
He's good looking. He's good looking.
Hello
Rich.
and goodbye.
Hello and goodbye.
All right, Thomas. Richie Rich.
Bye, Rich. Picture. Ito yung binili niya, guys. Binigay. Pay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 40. 40 yung binigay niya. Where's Mickey? You like Uncle Rich? You do what's in your face? What's happening in your face? What is that? Let me clean that up. Maaga yung namin, guys. Dinner. Come here. Maaga yung dinner namin. Come here. Let me clean my baby princess. Let me clean my baby princess. Let me clean my princess. Let me clean my princess na. Let me clean my princess now. Just, aluluy na ni mama. Good girl, Nana. Where is your sister, Misty? She went inside. It's already time check. It is 5:18 na ng hapon. Maaga yung dinner namin. Nagpumalis na siya.
It would have been nice if we stayed longer.
Bigyan ko sila ng bones, guys. Oh, Roxy, here. Pagod yung dalawa, guys. Hindi nakatulog ng maayos, look. Basta may bisita, pagod yan. parang sila din yung nagtatrabaho ba? Nagluluto.
Right now, people need dogs that don't look like mops and workouts that don't need 2 bags of flour. So small businesses are going back to business.
Before I'm going to end the vlog, mayroon pala akong ginawa, guys. Yung eggplant ko, guys, maraming kumakain sa dahon. Eggplant and ano ba yun? Atsal. Ang daming kumakain na mga itim. Ano daw yun? Flea black. Ano ba yun? Basta beetles. Mga beetles ba na black. Very tiny. And siya yung kumakain ng leaves. So ngayon, naghanap ako online kung ano yung remedies. Kasi yung ini-spray ko na pang-spray sa bugs, hindi siya gumagana talaga. Hindi na nawawala yung beetles, anong itim. Pinipiga-piga ko na individually, dahon, ganon. Nakakapagod kasi andun sila palagi. So, ang ginawa ko, where is my phone? Nag-google ako. Ang nahanap ko sa Google, in-screenshot ko siya. Sabi pa dito is, minimix ko siya yung, ano daw, 2 cups rubbing alcohol. Diba, ang dami, 2 cups. And then also 2 cups 5 cups of water also. And then also 1 tablespoon of liquid soap. So, ngayon, kasi 1 cup lang yung meron ako sa, rubbing alcohol. Ang ginawa ko is 1 cup, and then, parang, I cut it in half. 1 cup rubbing alcohol, 2.5 cups of water, and half of the, tablespoon ng liquid soap. Minix ko siya dito lahat, and then naglagay ako dito sa spray, na kailangan kong i-spray sa dahon, isang dahon para maobserbahan ba. So in-spray ko yung isang dahon. Tignan ko bukas kung nasusunog, kung nasisira siya, kung sobra ba to, ganon. Anyway guys, tingnan ko lang yung garden ko guys, and yun. Yun lang yung guys, before natin end, and I'm going to end this vlog now. Guys, I'm going to end the vlog. It's already 7 o'clock, pero maaga pa siya. May araw pa. And we're going to end this early. Please end this early with me.
Bye guys.
See you.
Thanks for coming. See you, I guess, tomorrow.
Bye guys. See you tomorrow guys. Good night. Bye.